Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom called Starlight Vale, there lived a kind and cheerful baby princess named Lily. She had golden curls, rosy cheeks, and a giggle that made the whole castle glow with happiness. The kingdom was full of magic, talking animals, singing flowers, and a glittering river that sparkled under the sun. Princess Lily loved exploring her kingdom with her best friend, a tiny dragon named Puff, who could breathe rainbow-colored smoke. One day, while playing in the royal garden, Lily and Puff found a mysterious golden key hidden under a flower. "Oh, where does this key go?" Lily wondered. Puff flapped his tiny wings excitedly. "Maybe it opens a treasure chest." The two friends set off on an adventure, asking everyone in the kingdom if they knew about the key. The wise old owl in the library said, "Legend says there is a secret door in the castle that leads to the wishing fountain." Lily and Puff searched every room until they found a tiny door behind a velvet curtain. With a deep breath, Lily turned the key. Click! The door creaked open, revealing a hidden garden with a sparkling fountain in the middle. A gentle voice echoed, "Make a wish, little one." Princess Lily closed her eyes and whispered, "I wish for my kingdom to always be happy and full of laughter." Poof! A shower of golden sparkles rained down, and suddenly the whole kingdom shimmered brighter than ever. The flowers sang louder, the river gleamed like diamonds, and even the grumpy castle cook started dancing. From that day on, Princess Lily and Puff had many more adventures, spreading joy wherever they went. And whenever someone felt sad, they just had to remember Lily's wish. Be kind, be brave, and always believe in magic.